The brand new Snapchat monetization guidelines now mean that anybody can get into the program. That's right, you don't have to have an exclusive contract or some kind of exclusive deal in order to get started printing thousands of dollars every single day with Snapchat. Me personally, I run several different faceless Snapchat Spotlight accounts, and I'm making well over $500 every single day on complete autopilot using Snapchat Spotlight. When you combine that with the YouTube AdSense from my faceless channels and the music deal I have with my Shorts automation channels, I am making well over $1,000 a day. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can get into the Snapchat monetization program today. First up, guys, Spotlight viewership is up 25% year over year. This means that there is no better time to get into the Snapchat Spotlight program than today. I personally use this tool called Repurpose, which allows me to automatically post any YouTube video from my Shorts channel directly onto Snapchat. And using that feature, I'm able to rack up $500 a day in passive income just from Snapchat directly. If you guys are interested in using Repurpose.io to do the same thing with your channel, I'm gonna leave a link in the description that will give you a free 10% off of a yearly plan. So that's gonna be available right there if you're interested. But in terms of the requirements to monetize Spotlight videos, you have to have at least 50,000 followers, which I was able to get this within a week. You have to post at least 25 times per month, which for me personally on my automation channels, I usually post 5 times a day. So this is quite realistic. You also have to post to either Spotlight or public stories at least 10 of the 28 days. That just means that you have to have posted a new video 10 out of the last 28 days, which if you're using Repurpose.io will make it really easy because you don't even have to worry about meeting that requirement. And then finally, you have to achieve one of the following. Now, this is definitely the most difficult part, but if you just use Repurpose.io, this kind of thing will be happening for you in the background and you won't even have to bother thinking about it. You have to either get 10 million Snap views, 1 million Spotlight views, which since we use Spotlight, that means 1 million views, which is actually easier than the YouTube Shorts program because YouTube Shorts requires 10 million views in order to get monetized instead of Snapchat's only 1 million. Meaning that you guys can get into the Snapchat monetization program maybe before you get into the AdSense program. But what's cool about music deals though is that you actually don't need AdSense for that. As long as you work with a good company, you can land a deal really easily. If you have a YouTube Shorts automation channel or a Snapchat Spotlight channel that you want to get a music deal for me personally on my faceless channels, I make about $2,000 per month in just AdSense, but I make 3 times that with my music deals. If you guys are interested in getting a music deal, go ahead and email me, which is going to be in the description down below, with your channel and a screenshot of the YouTube studio, and I'll be able to talk to the guys who I have my deal with, who are the largest provider of music deals in the world by far, and see if I can work something out for you. Or you have to have 12,000 hours of view time. Now, as you guys can see after reading that, literally anybody can get started with this Snapchat monetization program now. It used to be super exclusive. Only people who had exclusive contracts like David Dobrik or Keemstar could even get into the program, but now literally anybody can get into the program. And again, using a tool like Repurpose.io, if you already make things like IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, it's really easy just to use Repurpose.io to automatically upload any of those clips directly into Snapchat. Me personally, I only transfer all of my YouTube clips into Snapchat. I've not experimented with TikTok or Instagram yet. And like I said, I'm making over $500 a day from just doing this. Again, guys, I'm gonna include a link in the description to Repurpose.io. That's gonna give you a discount for a yearly plan. I would highly recommend signing up for it if you are serious about getting into the Snapchat monetization program, because that means that not only can you post things on Snapchat, but you could also post things on YouTube Shorts or TikTok or IG. And if you get into the TikTok monetization program, that's even more free money. But guys, with that all being said, that is the end of today's video. I'm going to be dropping a video on my channel very soon of me explaining exactly how I started my faceless YouTube Short automation channels and how you can start one for yourself. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. And if that video is out, you guys can go ahead and click on that video right here, right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.